Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner if you're lost in there, and we're gonna take a look at this Canine Crooner that I really don't have. Is this singing? Yep, so we're gonna take a look at this Canine Crooner that I really don't have. It looks like a singing black poodle because it looks like a poodle because it has this ball thing. It looks like a poodle, and he's really cute. This one sings Singing in the Rain. This one's really cute. Yep, this one sings Singing in the Rain. This one's really cute. Yep, so I really do not have that Canine Crooner. This one's really cute. Here's his button. Press here button. It looks like a Scottish Terrier, but it's a poodle. It looks like a poodle. Like a black poodle. He's really cute. So here is the video about... Okay, so this is the Canine Crooners singing black poodle, but it looks like a Scottish Terrier. It's a black poodle. It's a Canine Crooner that sings Singing in the Rain. So goodbye, and have a good day. Yep, so goodbye, and have a good day.
Imagination.